Guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to pair headphones with your Garmin watch. So yeah, first what we are going to do is here on those headphones you will see on this at the back this button, so you can press it long uh, that starts to flash right here where you see these LED lights. Now what we are going to do is jump to our watch here. So let me unlock it first, like so, and long press the left middle button to get to the menu. And now we will go down here to the music, select it, and then you will see here headphones, click on it, add new, and now the watch will start looking for the headphones, so we will need to wait a few moments to get like that. Now you see Soundcore Libert, so I will select to add now, connecting to Soundcore headphones, and is successfully connected. And yeah, now I can listen music through my watch with these my headphones right over here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.